besties, welcome to Femme Nature, where pretty becomes polished and luxury is a standard and not a price tag. My name is London. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and join the Lux Babes. And let's get right into this video. So I heard you are a woman that wants to look good and feel good. And I have these tips for you that you can implement into your lifestyle in order to do so. Now, everybody is on a glow up journey, and if you want to see the maximum results, these are definitely the tips you need to implement in order to become that girl. Now, the first thing that you need to do in order to feel like that girl, especially if you're on a healthy lifestyle journey, especially if you want to lose weight and get your body looking right and tight, you need to do 10,000 steps a day. Whether that's walking outside, walking on a track, walking through your city, or getting a treadmill in your home and making sure you're getting your steps in. When I tell you getting 10,000 steps a day or even more, if your body can handle that, is a quick way to lose weight and drop the pounds without doing too much. That is something that every woman should start implementing into our schedule. Now, I know we have busy lives. I know we have work, we have school, we have kids, but you want to make sure that your body is being active. When I tell you, I'm going to tell you from my own personal experience, I was lazy at one point and I was very inactive. So my body was gaining weight naturally. That's what happens when you're, being lazy. And I was gaining weight, and then my body started to feel weak because I wasn't using my muscles. And I used to walk a lot, and once I stopped walking all the time as a way to get around or just to be fit, and then I started being lazy, and then I tried to start that walking journey again to get active. My body was in pain. Okay, my feet was hurting, my legs was hurting. I'm like, how long can I do this? And I used to walk a lot before I got a vehicle. Once I got a vehicle, my whole lifestyle changed. I became lazy and inactive, and I gained a lot of weight while having a vehicle. So I noticed one thing that changed in my lifestyle was being driven around. So I decided to get up, get fit. Even if I'm not walking throughout my city anymore, I still need to either walk around a track or walk on a treadmill just to make sure that my body is moving, and getting those steps in would definitely help you shed the pounds that you've been holding on to while you've been lazy and inactive. Another tip to make you look good and be on your globe journey is preparing your stuff the night before. When I tell you, you save a lot of times in the morning because you're not scrummaging doing your hair. You're not trying to figure out what outfits you're trying to put on for the day. You're not trying to figure out what you're going to eat for lunch because you planned everything the night before. Being proficient with planning your life and your lifestyle in general is a lifesaver. It is a hack that everybody should literally do, because when you plan, you're planning for your future. When you're just freeballing and then, just going where life takes you, your life seems chaotic. So making sure that you plan everything the night before to the best of your abilities is something that I definitely recommend on the globe journey. And you can do your skincare overnight to make your skin very glowy and effortless for the next morning. Overnight rollers have been a game changer for me. That really helps my look feel more put together, and I just look polished without having to style my hair in the morning and spend extra time in the morning making sure I curl my hair and stuff like that. But the overnight rollers has helped me. All I have to do is put my rollers in the night before, and then in the morning when I'm done with my makeup, I just undo my rollers, brush my hair out, and it looks like I spent 30 minutes in my bathroom mirror when I didn't. But I get the salon look without having to do the most. And doing that, making sure that your hair is put together, would definitely upgrade your look, because you don't have to wear an expensive or an extensive outfit. As long as your hair is laid and your hair looks good, you are set. Your hair tells a story even on lazy days, okay? So making sure that your hair is looking cute with overnight rollers, either braids to get like a beachy wave look, a twist out, anything that you did the night before should prepare you for the day after so that your routine is effortless and you're just ready to go. Now, this one is for the health girlies. Getting your daily probiotic and drinking a lot of water throughout the day is definitely a game changer. If you suffer from bloating, if you suffer from dehydration, you definitely need to drink lots of water. Probiotics is good, especially for your vaginal health. It helps everything stay on track for the good bacteria and all of those things. So doing those two things would definitely change your body. When you're drinking more water, that means you are sweating more, you're going to the bathroom more, you're releasing all those toxins that your body is holding on to. Your skin will start glowing, you will start to feel more snatched versus drinking soda and everything is just sticking to you because you have too much sugar, too much sweets in your system. And also probiotics help with bloating. So if you want that flat tummy and a regular bowel movement, definitely get onto probiotics. But I definitely recommend you chatting with your doctor to see if you need a probiotic. But that's just what I've been doing, and I noticed a big difference in my gut health and with my skin when I drink a lot of water, and my body just functions better with those. Now, if you are a visionary woman like me, I love Pinterest. I love putting pins together. I love looking up clothes. I love looking up outfits. That is definitely a way to help you establish your personal style. Find your outfit inspiration and follow it to a T. If you're experimenting with your style or you want to change your style or upgrade your look, definitely head on to Pinterest and put together a mood board for your look. Put together your mood board for how you want to start dressing up and showing out. I always tell women that once you look good, you feel good. Once you present yourself in a way that's pretty and polished, the world is your oyster. And I tell you ladies this because I experienced it firsthand. I used to dress looking a mess, and then I got my stuff together. I decided to put effort into my look, and it has taken me a long way, and it has opened doors for me that I've never imagined. So making sure that you are looking put together, and I'm not saying that you gotta dress one specific way. No, all you want to do is make sure you're looking chic, making sure you're looking elevated, making sure that you look like you put time and attention into yourself. Because if you don't do that, if you don't look like you put the time and the effort into yourself, don't expect nobody else to take you serious. Don't expect opportunities to be given to you. Your looks matter, and there's a whole trend going on about look maxing and making sure that you are doing the things to make yourself look good to the best of your abilities. And I'm not talking about plastic surgery. I'm not talking about nothing that's extremely drastic. A little could go a long way, and especially if you're doing baby steps. Now, this next tip ties into what I said previously. When it comes to dressing up and looking good, you want to do that even when you have nowhere important to go. Even if you're running errands, even if you're just going to the grocery store, you're heading to Target, you're heading out to hang out with your friends, you want to make sure you always look put together when you're leaving the house. You never know who you're going to run into. You never know what opportunities are going to be handed to you.